Good afternoon. This is the briefing on the record flooding on the Platte River Network in western Nebraska. Active flood warnings that continue include over the Roscoe gauge for portions of Dual and Keith counties until further notice, and then on the Platte River near Brady until further notice as well. The rainfall forecast is going to be picking up going into Thursday and Friday. There will be that frontal system that's going to be coming through the plains, crossing the state, and by Friday, Saturday time frame as the front moves across, there is a chance up to some areas may see an inch of rainfall and localized areas up to 2 inches possible. And that will be along the main area of that frontal boundary due to convective rains. Now looking at all the gauge sites on the South Platte and down to the Platte River at Brady. At Julesburg this morning, the river is at 8.53 feet. As of noontime, the flood stage there is 10 feet. You can see there was a minor crest as additional rainfall upstream in Colorado moved downstream, but overall the river is still in the action area as far as the gauge height. At the Roscoe gauge this noontime, it's at 9.33 feet. The flood stage there is 9 feet. We can see that the river is continuing to drop down as far as the stage height itself. There may be a little bit of a crest going into tonight and tomorrow morning as that heavy rainfalls that fell upstream move down with a minor crest there, with the stage staying above flood stage through Friday. And next is the North Platte gauge on the South Platte River. Reading at 1 p.m. was 12.32 feet. The flood stage there is 13 feet. The forecast is for the river level to continue to drop, and then overnight tonight into Thursday, a minor increase as the flows continue downstream, and then cresting and then continuing to fall and staying within the action stage area. Then at the Brady gauge on the Platte River at 1 p.m., the stage was 9.75 feet. Flood stage there is 7.5 feet. And here we can see the reading as it's continuing to drop. It's forecasted to move into minor territory Thursday night into Friday. Minor crest there as it continues to fall though. But the forecast to remain above flood stage beyond Sunday. For more information on our river forecast and observations, visit our website at www.weather.gov/NorthPlatte, all lowercase. And on our top news of the day, our link continues for floodwaters on the move. Get the latest river observations and forecast, and also on hydrology sections for rivers and lakes. Then for safety and additional links, as the water continues to move downstream the Platte River, forecast offices at Hastings and Omaha will have additional information on their websites. That's a good source there. For road closures, check with the Nebraska Department of Roads website. And then whatever you do, please stay out of the flood waters. High water will remain possible until the end of the month. And then to recap the river stages and forecast. Currently over there at Julesburg, their reading is 8.53 feet. It's below the flood stage of 10 feet. At Roscoe, 9.33 feet at 12:45 p.m. Flood stage there is 9 feet, and it is forecast to continue falling and drop below flood stage there sometime Friday afternoon. The gauge at North Platte is at 12.32 feet. That's below our flood stage of 13 feet. And at the gauge near Brady, the stage today at 1 p.m. was 9.75 feet. Flood stage there is 7.5 feet, with the reading to remain above flood stage through Sunday. This concludes the briefing update on the record flooding for the Platte River Network in western Nebraska. Our next update will be Thursday morning. Thank you for listening.